Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be growing these, well, sowing these Geum, just get the Geum Blazing Sunset, February to June or September to October. They're the sowing instructions. So what I'm first of all doing with these is I have some peat-free compost here. I'm mixing some of this in with, I have got some cocoa coir, 10 litres, which I've mixed up. So first of all, just going to be just mixing this just so it just doesn't hold as much moisture. I'm just trying to get the perfect balance here. I do like the coir because it acts a little bit like peat. It holds plenty of moisture, but also quite free draining as well. So this is 2 lots. I think this J. Arthur Bowers peat-free compost multi-purpose that I'm mixing in with this. I'm trying to get 50-50 or 40-60. Yeah, so nice. Feels pretty well mixed, that. Yeah, happy with that. So yeah, all I'm doing then is just basically filling this up. You can see the difference there, the nice golden orangey tones of the coir with the dark blackish peat-free compost. Get it filled right up in the greenhouse, so I'm so happy with it at the moment. I've just got to install a wood burning stove, but I just want to show you with the windows. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Yep, 3 windows and my corrugated perspex roof. So last year this was all blocked off all the way around. I'm letting plenty of light in now, which is absolutely brilliant. Means I like to grow things a lot better. So let's get this open, shall we? Just give it a tap down this. Want it all the same level. It's about right. I'm going to make a potting bench when I've got some time. A potting tray actually. But there's only 15 seeds in here. They were on special offer from Thompson & Morgan. I think only something like £1, which is really good value. So get the seeds here, and if you can see these. Just see them there. Let's get a bit of a close up. See them there in the centre. And what you need to do with these is sprinkle them. You want to make sure you get all the seeds out with only having 15. So tear your packet if you have to. There we go. And then just tap it down. Spread a little bit of compost over the top, like so. And then all I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of water in with my little Hose watering can, like so. Got my tag. I don't need to date it because I've got the date on my phone, so I know what date it can take. But it's normally 10 to 15 days before germination, which would be great. And I'll cover those with a plastic cover, a little bit like this one, and put them on the bench. So yeah, if you've got any questions about growing Geum Blazing Sunset, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.